Hello everybody, my name is Anri and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am super excited to just share something with you that I've been working on for a while. This is my first ever little devotional kit and it's called Masterpieces. It's basically inspired by Ephesians 2 verse 10, which says that we are God's masterpieces created to do the good things that He has planned for us. And yeah, so this theme has an artist, this kit has an artist theme. I basically used a lot of artist elements and imagery to just enhance the message that I wanted to give. So with this kit, you get 7 colors. These are the Deco Arts Americana Paints and a Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pen, the size S. You also get like a paint swatch with all the colors on them. And I don't know actually what you call them, like fabric paperclip tabs. I don't know, but that's like made from velvet, from velvet ribbon. And then there's just some things to work on. There's the palette where you can mix all your colors on. And then the devotional is done in the traveler's notebook size. So all the devotionals are inside the little booklet, and then you also get like space for notes, and there's some cool quotes. It's basically just one big fun little book. So with that, you also get Bible tabs. I've already taken the liberty of adding the two-sided tape for you guys. If you don't like the double tabs, you can just tear them in half. They've got like a little perforated line, which gives you 12 Bible tabs if you don't want to use 6. And then there's just some extra hearts too that you can use for your Bible journaling. The reverse side of the Bible tab is also like a neutral black and white. So if you might feel it's too busy, you can always just swing it around and use the back side of the Bible journaling tab. I also added some stencils. These stencils are the same ones that are on the cover. It's like little oval shapes and polka dots and some crosses. You can use this to just decorate your page so that it links up with the general look and feel of the kit. You also get some die cuts. These are all done on 160 GSM cardboard, and it's printed with laser printer so it won't bleed, it won't lift, it won't smudge or anything. And you can also use this for like more than just your Bible journaling. Like if you do planning and stuff like that, this kit will also work for that. Everything is printed on 160 GSM. There is no normal paper here, and everything is done with laser. So again, it's waterproof and you won't smudge, and you can just have fun with it right through. Oh, giving a yawn here. It's raining today, so rainy weather makes me a little bit droopy. So if I do give a yawn, just bear with me. And then there's some Bible tabs that you can just either use as bookmarks or whatever you want to use them for. There's some clear stickers. There are 4 A6 sheets. I think it's also like 50 in total. And then there's some black cut out words. One says artist, masterpiece, Elohim, God, Jesus, creator. These are all words that link up with the general theme of the kit. And then last but not least, there's also some alpha letters that I added. There's 2 sets of letters, and then there's a set of word. And those are printed on just normal white paper vinyl. So it's not like a plastic vinyl. So you can write on it with anything if you want to write on it, or if you want to paint over it, whatever you feel like doing. As you can see, these are small letters, and then they're very dainty and super tiny. And then there's also the wordy ones, and then there's some alpha letters that match the general set of the theme. So if you want to get this theme, it's available on my site in 2 languages, Afrikaans and English. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Bye bye!